Retail is struggling here, trying to regain some footing, with nearly every discretionary category weakening except for one, beauty. Melissa Repko is here to talk a little bit about this. What are you seeing when it comes to spending on this category?
So, Contessa, discretionary merchandise is really pressured across the board, both in terms of sales and also in terms of units. So we've heard that discretionary is down about 5% in both those categories, dollars and units. But beauty has stood out as the bright spot. And along with groceries, that's what retailers are using to drive people into stores.
We've seen a lot of retail look at high-end strength, the luxury market holding up, and really starting to see weakness in that lower-end categories. What's the case in beauty? Is it the same?
So I spoke to Ulta CEO Dave Kimball earlier this week, and he was saying that there's a couple of different dynamics that are helping beauty. One is that it's an affordable luxury. It's like a little thing that you can get. Some people call it the lipstick index, that as the economy goes down, often lipstick sales, beauty sales go up. So that's one factor he mentioned. But he also spoke about how it's a routine people got into during the pandemic. So they got used to a different skincare routine, a little pampering of themselves, and also connecting beauty to wellness and health. So he says that's also making it more resilient and sticky, even as people pull back in other areas.
Is beauty tied to the level of tax refunds?
Tax refunds are a factor here, but again, beauty seems to be holding up. But we are seeing tax refunds under pressure, and that's really bad news for,
lower this year than in prior years.
Yes, actually, on average, tax refunds are trending around $400 less per person, according to Wolf Research. So if you think about $400 and you multiply that across people, that adds up pretty quickly. That could be...
That's a lot of lipstick.
It could be a lot of lipstick. It could also be a flat screen TV or some of those bigger ticket items people may have a harder time justifying until they get that surprise check in the mail, or in their bank account. So that is another factor here. But again, beauty is a smaller price point, so that could help.
Is Ulta the hot name here?
Ulta is definitely rising to the top, and that's why it hit an all-time high today. It also was accompanied by e.l.f. Beauty, which is a brand that hit an all-time high today for its stock, too.
But e.l.f. is very affordable. This is at the, I would call this like the teenage brand in the drugstore that you go in and every teenager can afford to spend their allowance on e.l.f., right?
Yes, exactly. That's a very good point. And that's something that cuts across both Ulta and e.l.f. When I spoke to Dave Kimball at Ulta, he said, we have across-the-board price points. So they have some of the brands you might see at a drugstore. They have some of the brands you might see at a luxury retailer like a Bloomingdale's. So he said they are, hedging their bets that way. And with e.l.f., for example, I spoke to their CFO, and she said they are actually gaining more traction among older consumers who are looking to save on those beauty items, too.
I'm curious what you see in terms of trends here, because when we were talking about the return to the office, there was this expectation that everybody would go out and buy new work clothes, maybe to fit changing bodies from the pandemic weight gain or loss, and maybe a decline in athleisure, for instance, Lululemon. Okay, if you apply that to beauty, the one thing that strikes me is that we all got used to these Zoom calls where you're looking at the camera and now you can see yourself the whole time, where in normal times, if you're not on television, you look at the mirror in the morning before you leave and then that's it. If you're on a Zoom, you're seeing yourself as you really are. And whether that's carryover, if that's the carryover now for beauty.
I think that's a really fair point. And I think that is part of the reason why it's sticky, too, because it's one small thing you can do to make a difference. Maybe you can't afford that blouse, but you can afford to upgrade your makeup just a little bit, to put on that extra eyeliner or do something to make yourself pop and feel good, even if you can't go and get a whole new work wardrobe.
Is the beauty going to help lift the Macy's, the Bloomingdale's of the world?
It could, but really every type of retailer is leaning in, not just the Bloomingdale's of the world. Dollar General this week said it's going to devote more aisle space in about 300 stores this year to beauty.
Wow.
And it's going to be having more things like that front and center, everything from lip gloss to bath bombs. So really we're seeing both the low and the high price point retailers lean in because they know people are still buying these products.
I feel like this was a Today Show segment.
Yeah,
I really enjoyed the makeup chat.
Yeah, makeup chats, makeup blending. I like the blending.
Yes, yes.
Melissa, thank you.
Thank you.